Hey guys, I just got an amazing testimony from a woman who is a client of mine's, and she just hit the 700 club, right? Now, that's normal. You know, we help people get into the 700 club all the time. But what I want you guys to pay attention to is how long she's been a client. She says she was a client for over 10 months. Yet most people, if their credit score doesn't hit a 700 in 10 weeks, they're ready to quit. They're ready to say it doesn't work. That's why most people end up going to like 5 or 6 credit repair companies because they never gave the previous credit repair company time to work. I tell people, right, your score can jump up to a 700 in a month, or it can take a year. It's based on where you're starting at. Number one, where you're starting at, how many negative items you have, how responsible you are, how good you are at following directions, and then you can do everything right, and it still takes a while. So what I want you guys to understand is credit repair takes time, right? And that time is different for each person. Just like with losing weight, I cannot line up 10 people and expect all 10 people to lose 10 pounds at the same exact time. Why? Because we all have different metabolisms. We all have different genetics, just like we all have different credit reports. So I just want to express that part. So let's answer her question. She wanted to know, what should she do first? Should she go get a car? Should she apply for credit cards? I'm going to answer that, right? Whenever you're trying to figure out what you should do with your credit, I want you to think about, how can I make my credit work for me? How can I turn my credit into an income? So the first thing I would tell her to do is, yes, apply for credit cards, apply for lines of credit, because now you can use that. You can use that to invest in other things, invest in cryptocurrency, invest in real estate, etc. The car will always be at the bottom of my list, because unless you're renting cars out on Turo, unless you're doing Uber or Lyft or something like that, a car is not an investment. A car is a liability. It's a depreciating asset. I just bought a used Buick LaCrosse 2013 for $4,500. No car note. Whereas someone else might go buy that same car and be paying $400 or $500 a month. So I will always tell people, go for credit cards, go for lines of credit, and find a business. Start an online e-commerce store. Use your credit card to run ads. It's too easy to make money right now. It's too easy. And the second part of that question, she asked me, when is it good to go after American Express? You go after American Express when your Experian. When your Experian score is at a 700, go after Amex. However, if you have a very young credit file, which means your credit age is under 2 years, or if you have any late payments within the last couple of years, even if you are at a 700, they will still deny you, right? So make sure you have at least 2 years on your Experian. Make sure your Experian score is over a 700, and most likely you get approved. But before you apply for that, go for business credit cards first. Get your LLC, use your credit, use your personal credit to get the business credit so we can start building on autopilot. Always get personal credit cards last. Business credit cards first, then personal credit cards. Car notes, if you have to get them, if you just can't help yourself, you got to have it, make that last. Make that last. Unless you plan on renting that car out or using it for Uber, it is a liability. A car will take more money out of your pocket than putting money in your pocket. So I hope that helps you out. And guys, if you need help like this, if you have questions, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my private Facebook group. The link is in my bio. Hey guys.